If you've ever scanned a whole bunch of old photos at once, you know the struggle. You end up with one giant image full of smaller photos. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly divide that scan into individual photos using Adobe Photoshop. It's easier than you think. I'm beginning here with an image that contains 6 photos that I've scanned. Notice that the photos that I placed on my scanner are not straight. They don't have to be. What's more important is that the photos that you place on your scanner are not touching the edges, nor are they touching each other. A good scan will set you up for success when dividing and conquering your photos. If you'd like to practice along with me, you'll find this image in the download. Also, you'll find all instructions in the manual. So here's the lickety-split solution for dividing these photos. In the menu bar, choose File, Automate, Crop and Straighten Photos. Instantly, Photoshop is going to get to work dividing and conquering those photos. Let's take a look at how it did. To the right of the tabs, I'm going to click on this double arrow, and that's going to show me all the images that are currently open. I'll go back to the original image where you can see the 6 photos that were on the scanned document. Photoshop automated creating one document for each of these photos. So I'll click on those arrows again and click on the first image that Photoshop made, which is this one right here. You can also look at the different images by clicking on the tabs. Now, if you were to close Photoshop at this point, you would lose all of those extra images. You need to go through and save them all with unique names in the original folder with the scanned image. So that's how to divide scanned photos in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. This has been Jen White with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.